When we're working with trying to make meat analogs, of course, we're trying to simulate the flavor of meat. You know, all of the products such as Beyond Meat and Impossible Meat and Incredible Meat, now made by Nestle, everything's based on pea protein pretty much. I really like pulses because that was my first project, is working with the Alberta pulse growers. And I thought, yeah, pulses can definitely simulate meat. And so there's different types of flavor compounds that we can use. And umami flavors are very important. The umami flavor is kind of a meaty saltiness, and that we're able to simulate that with the right amount of nutritional yeast and the right amount of miso. With earlier meat analogs, it didn't have a chewiness, it was soft. So we did a lot of research and we found konjac flour glucosamine that creates a very chewy gel that doesn't melt. So very similar to the types of fibers that you have in meat. You know, one thing leads to another as far as what can we do for flavor, what can we do for texture. So we're able to grind that, we're able to slice it, we're able to fry it. It doesn't fall apart and break on us.